Don't start puzzling. Seriously, just don't. It starts innocent. You buy one puzzle, maybe 300 pieces. You're like, this will be relaxing. Next thing you know, you're looking at your closet like, do I really need all of this? Or could this be puzzle storage? Your algorithm changes. No more normal content, just puzzles. Storage hacks, sorting strategies. People speed puzzling like it's a professional sport. And then it gets worse. You start seeing puzzle images everywhere. You're out in public like, that will be a good puzzle. Absolutely not. Too much sky. And don't get me started on just one more piece before bed.